It's nearly 8 o'clock in the morning and the man, Bounty Killer, just blazed. Correction, who is me? Sir Rodney Price just annihilated the Rebel Salute stage 2014. Incidentally, it is first time on the Rebel Salute stage. Bounty Killer, welcome to Iriga Nation. Big up yourself, you're large, you're done with. I'm nearly drop off on my stool.
It's refreshing, because it's just a side of me that haven't been showcased enough, you know. As a performer, I do like a couple of the cultural songs, but I never do a whole set. So to see Bounty doing a cultural set, it's just refreshing as something else and something exceptional, you know.
Why did you take so long to come on the Rebel Salute stage?
Well, it's never me decided, you know. It's just that, you know, you have to get your act together. You understand? Because this is what they want, somebody who know how to present themselves in a different category. And you're never sure if you could pull it off. But I've been pulling it off for a couple other shows, like the NEC Artistry. I did a couple like it before, so I know that I have the act together and the performance part now. So it's just ready for the 21st anniversary.
Bounty, you're an experienced performer. You have closed many shows, the biggest shows, you have closed them, you know them. Was it any difficulty for you coming at 7:30 in the morning when Capleton, etc. are built to appear?
But remember, I'm the one who said, good morning. And the reason why I end up with that slang is because I found myself performing only at mornings when I was just coming out. Because I was the one who was the major act at the time, so I was placed last on every show. So it's like that spot, it's exceptionally good for me. Because that's where I know to do best, in the early morning. So it was great when the sun rising, it's just a blessing.
We were just talking to Tony Rebel. We commended him on the 21 years Rebel Salute is celebrating, speaks volumes. Now you've been in the business, you've seen everything. What do you feel is the secret behind Rebel Salute's success to be a 21-year event?
Well, I think it's just really that courage and that perseverance, and a man who loves music, and he's music and music is him. Because this show wasn't one who, when it started off, got a lot of support from like corporate. It's recently, in like the last 6-8 years, Rebel Salute started to get that corporate support. So for him to hold it up for that long, because it was used to be a dance and a stage show in a one, till it turned into an actual show, till it become a festival now. So it's just a man who have a courage and a love for music, I would say, because I don't really know. But in my eyes, that's what I would say. He's just a man who loves music like me. So you do anything to keep him show going.
Bounty, we're glad to see you on the Rebel Salute stage. I hope it's not the final time. Big up yourself. Thanks for talking.
Of a new era.
Thank you for talking to
Iriga Nation. It's one of the 5-star general, you know, presenting himself as Sir Rodney Price at Rebel Salute. Nothing boy on the devil pollute. Kaboom!